Uba Regional Kharkongor MCS BDO Motion Road CNRD Block ulalong ukong san ban play yaga 47th Annual School Sport joka St. Peter's Higher Secondary School Nongstoin haga khatway terik leber. Haka jingkran play uba regional ulakun tui ki khna school ban shimbanta haki jingale kai khnang ban penklan yaka met padeka bor perkhat ki ban yarap shushu haki jingpuli jungki. Ulapan pau ka jingkman bandon banta haka jing play yaka school sport. Ulaya ro ekinong penyat school bat ikinong hikai ki bala play ki lat kilenti na banta ki khna school ban penmi bat say yala ki sap ki pong hamadan ya lekai. Ula kentu ki khna school ban long ki bas ngorad ki ba kot jingmut triang ban poi jaga thong jing job ha ki jing ya khun jong ki. Ula pen kan maru eki khna school ban long barabor ki ba kongo bat ki ba bat ya ki kendon jong ki jing ya lekai. Kinong hikai ki long ki kmi ki kpa ha ki kamra school de ban buram bat kongo ya ki man kapor. Ulapan kut daga baong, bat lakam yaka jingdom, jingbitar, bat jingmeng, haba pidon hamadan lekai. Uravan padar Marius Thongniba, rector, ula ai ka jingkran ba koridor, kabaya day ba ka jing shimbanta haki jingya lekai, namar kiwan ra yaka jingko jingkia, hakalong briu man briu.
Demonstrating exemplary leadership and unwavering command is our parade commander, Livingstone. Now in perfect formation, the Blue House's first platoon enters, commanded by Abrian Lasky, with Jonathan McCoy marching behind, bearing their flag with immense pride. Stepping forward, the Blue Houses is Jonathan with a striking display of discipline and power. Will George Termiang commands the second platoon of the Greenhouse with precision. Now making their way forward in perfect synchrony, the third platoon of Blue House enters under steadfast leadership of Menda Jotlang Mauson. Exuding confidence and strength, the third platoon of Yellow House is led by the remarkable Fatima Yao Miao. Following next, with your house pride soaring high, is the third platoon of Red House, commanded by Yarihun Sochang. With poise, determination, and unbreakable spirit, the third platoon of Greenhouse marches forward, led by the skilled Darin Harin Tong.